He's got the owner.
Hello? Where's the beef?
That's a herky jerky. Alright, so we looked at this, and this is out in the middle of nowhere.
You're serious?
Yep.
That's nice. So it's probably at someone's residence.
Yeah.
Would have been nice if it
It's
was
at their
done.
farm. So we got to go to Ascot, then we got to turn left on some road and drive that road for like a long time. Then we got to make a weird right because the road angles, and then a quick left.
You okay?
You had cough syrup. You can't be coughing. Okay, that was herky jerky. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Quarter right onto the ramp to the loop, then merge onto I-35 North.
You want your french fries first?
Let me get on the freeway.
Poor baby.
Thank you. Two parts now? That's awesome.
Turn right onto Minnesota 23 East Veterans Evergreen Memorial Drive.
Ugh, it's gonna be herky jerky. Ouch.
I guess cheaper here than
Continue on Minnesota 23 East for 4 miles.
Yeah.
Hello.
So why would they use a plan for a prison?
Josh, AJ, I'm trying to drive.
Reminds me in Rushford area was Bronx. Hey, is that a stream? Wow. That's cool. Isn't this where we got the Steve fixed? Yeah. Yeah.
Horses.
Horses. Especially with gas prices.
He's got stop sign.
I don't want myself.
And Joshie would say we're friendly people. Right, Joshie?
Huh?
You would say we're friendly people.
And it's top door. And it's top door. Top and door.
Stop and go.
Stopping. Hey, there's some horses.
It's cows.
No, they're horses, not cows.
Cows.
No.
Cows. Cows. Cows.
I don't know if I've ever been in this area.
Yeah, we have.
Cows.
I
Cows.
have.
Cows.
Yeah.
When?
Well, when we see Big Boy, we went through here.
Oh, okay. There's a cemetery.
And I'm pretty sure we went to the Louvre a couple times in the Pinto this way.
Just to give it a different look.
Yep. Half a mile.
Pine County history. Did we go over there and
I've never been.
oh,
In a
there's an
quarter mile,
airplane.
turn left onto HC
There's a
Anderson Alley.
caboose.
Yeah.
I've been up here a couple times.
Take the next left onto HC Anderson Alley.
Whoa. Puppy. Hey, Dad. Dad.
Who's he calling Dad? Are you saying Uncle, trying to say Uncle Josh or Grandpa AJ? It's a church.
Oh, 2 miles, we turn right.
Road. Take the next left onto Jensen Road. Continue on Jensen Road for 3/4 of a mile.
Up, down. I need to up, down, up, down. I need to up, down, down. You're doing down. I need to up, down.
Must be here, huh?
Yep. I think this mile says, but there's a dead end down there, so.
Maybe it's right there. Right there. Your front right there. Camera goes in there.
Oh no, puppy.
It sees the bumper hitch.
I'm back. I'm back. Oh, bye-bye, dog.
I didn't know you were supposed to bring boxes or stuff. I wonder if there's any bags or anything.
It's acting funny.